What is up, guys? It's Michael from BM Racing here. So we have something different today. We actually have 3 project quads right now. I'm going to show you in a little bit. So Caleb's actually pointing up the driveway right now, if you can hear it out there in the road. So I'm going to show you what we have here. So stay tuned. What's up, buddy?
Not much, buddy. What's up?
What you doing?
Getting my food now.
Just got here. What you have over there, buddy?
We got Wendy's.
What else you got?
We got some 2-cycle wool.
There you go.
We got some ATF Type 4.
There you go. What's this in the back of your truck here?
Tree limb.
Why do you have a tree limb?
I want to be in the Christmas spirit.
Starting early, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So, Caleb, how's your dinner going?
Pretty good, buddy.
Think your dinner good and good?
You haven't said how cold it is.
We need the heater in here.
It's over there, but it's out of diesel fuel.
All right, so we're gonna tell them what we got going on now.
After I get done eating.
Caleb, so back in the shop here.
Mm-hmm.
We actually have something very special for us.
Yeah. We got 2 more Banshees.
2 more Banshees.
2 more. Let's start with this one here, though. This one started out, we was just going to powder coat the frame. That's all we had planned on doing, powder coat the frame. And it turned into a 2, 3, 4 month project. I found them A-arms real cheap, 150 bucks. They're plus 3s. So we copped those, put those on there. Powder coated the side case. We still got that to do though. We was gonna run Nerf bars, but decided I didn't want to keep this one anymore. I wanted to sell it, so
so it's up for sale, guys. If you want it.
Stock heel guards.
How much you selling it for?
First person brings me 25, I'll take it. I got more than that in it. I got powder coated swing arm, polished axle. Everything on it's powder coated. Here, show them the front of these plastics right here. Oh yeah, that's what all the plastics look like.
Yeah, it's a little dirty right now, but it's going to be polished up. So yeah, this is our first quad we have here, and then we'll show you the next one. All right, guys, for the next one we have
a 1989 J-arm frame.
All right, tell them what's so special about a J-arm frame.
Okay, so hold on, I got a A-arm laying around here somewhere. I'll show you all the difference. All right, so the bottom A-arm is the same. This is an upper A-arm for a normal Banshee. Came off that one there. So that's normal upper A-arm. Now, on a J-arm frame, you have this right here. You have that in place of that.
Right.
And right there it is.
Yep, there it is right there.
That is the only difference, and they're a lot lighter. It's the only difference.
And these go for a lot more money, don't they?
Yeah. You can't hardly find them anymore. I only made them for so many years. There's only so many out there. Yeah. This engine's pretty built. It's got the advanced timing plate. There's a new stator in it. It's got the 2-in-1 dyno port exhaust, high pressure piston. It's got the booster bottle. I think that's about it.
Yeah, it's nice. That's what we'll get rid of.
Full powder coated frame.
Talk about this right here.
Oh yeah, I've got to make up some mounts, so that's just temporary for like a year or so.
Yeah, I mean it holds. I mean but it helps.
It helps.
It helps.
It helps.
It does help. It does help. But this is our second quad we have here. We actually have another one there too, but they're both powder coated. Actual powder coated, like it's, I don't know, it's get it done, you know.
Yeah, it's pretty hard to get off there.
Nice little quad.
We still got a little bit of work to do to it. We got to grind these. Got to take these lights off because I don't like running these lights. I don't like them. So we're gonna grind those mounts down, make us our own mounts. the guy that had it powder coated didn't put bolts in here to keep the powder coat out of there, so we got to go around and re-drill all of those. Just little stuff.
All right. Yeah. This one is about to be getting close to get fired up, right?
Yes, sir.
We just got to get a couple things for it, and then hopefully in this video we'll actually show you it running. We got 1 quad, 2 quad, 3 quad, 4 quad. Bitch, I'm so cold. I think I need a flu shot. Sponsored by Mountain Dew. Remember that.
What?
Sponsored by Wendy's too. They give us unlimited free fries.
And ice cream.
Yeah, buddy. So we the plug. We the plug. You know it. So yeah, $2,500. 2,000.
And that's when it comes with white plastic. It's not completely together yet.
It's right there. It needs to be polished up. It's all looking. But it helps. It's polished up.
Both of them, I think both of them are going to get graphics kits.
You heard of both of them?
Both of these nuts.
Both of these nuts.
My back. Or no, my neck. My back. Lick my Banshee and my Dirty Max.
Looks pretty cool.
What?
I think it looks cool, man. That's patina.
Patina?
That's patina.
Patina?
That's patina.
Patina?
I mean, look, it's like a little cup holder or something. Put it right there.
Okay, let's ask our real question here.
All right, let's ask it.
Okay, so I don't know if most of y'all know what the normal Banshees look like, or like my old Banshee, how it had the duals on it. Does the single look better, or do the duals look better?
Here's a single.
I'm honestly feeling the single.
And we'll show you. Is the dual on here?
No.
Why is it
There's
not?
pipes on it.
Where's it at?
I sold them to Miller.
Oh.
Miller Times got them.
Oliver! Hey! What you doing, buddy? Hey! What you doing?
Never kiss that bitch on the lips. Had to get right by myself. Spent about 5 on my waist.
Have a Christmas tree back there, baby!
A whole lot of bitches.
Hey! Where'd it go?
Up under them woods up there, I know I hit him.
Go forward.
I got him, I know I got him.
Did you get him, son?
I got him, buddy.
Did you get him? Did you get him?
I got him.
Did you get him?
Yeah. Bought a thermix so I can go faster. Coming out shit, but a trash can.
What are you talking about Cummins for? You like Cummins.
I like Cummins better thermix.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Taters
On my tater plate. Taters on my tater plate. Hey, bro. Yeah, I got that gas, man. You know, I got you what you need, man.
Bro, where's that gas at?
That's in my pocket. Hold up, I'll get it for you.
Alright, get it from me, bro.
All right. Here you go, man.
Not
some
that
gas.
kind of gas.
Here's some gas, man.
I don't want that kind of
20
gas.
bucks, man. Can't beat that.
Are you on crack?
I'll give you some crack,
I
too.
don't want that kind of gas.
I have some crack, too.
I want the good gas, not that gas.
You want the good kush?
Yeah.
The pineapple kush?
Yeah, not that gas.
You want this is like top of the line,
Get
bro.
that out of here. It's right there, dude.
I know, I hear it. Oh, there it goes.
Oh man, it's right there.
She's about to fire up, guys.
Hopefully.
Oh. Dude, it's like right there.
Huh?
It's like right there.
It's just an airbox.
Alright guys, we just got back from GNR, so we got some antifreeze for it. We got some new, where's that, spark plugs for here soon. It should fire right up, shouldn't it, Caleb?
Should. We don't have the plugs on yet, so it might, I mean, it might not idle or nothing like that.
Right.
I don't know. We're about to find out. I gotta put this on real quick.
Alright guys, so we're
So-
back.
Yeah, we run into a little problem. Our vent tubes, we gotta redo our vent tubes there. See, that's why that's leaking out. All it is antifreeze. We gotta get that fixed.
Alright, let's see guys.
Let's sucks not having anything to stand on.
Oh, there it goes. How's it going? I think you did too, yeah. Smoking a little bit. Wanna take it for a ride?
Yeah. Oh, I can't.
Why?
I ain't gonna change.
Oh. Fire's up.
Forgot I ain't got a chain.
Smoking a lot.
Ain't got too much oil in it, smothering it out.
Okay, Caleb. Tell me what you're doing now.
I'm getting the foot pegs bolted on, buddy.
There you go.
Temporary till we can get some Nerf bars.
We were gonna ride tonight, but the chain wasn't long enough, so.
Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how screwed we got tonight. Hold on, is that going right now?
You're going the right way.
I think I just broke the thread off.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
What,
Look,
come
look.
on now.
Look
All
how
right, yeah, guys,
screwed we
look.
got.
It's not even an inch. It's just like it's barely there.
So yeah, that's how our night
We
went.
can't stretch it or anything. We called Walmart, didn't have any other parts for it.
And GNR closed before we can.
So that's gonna wrap it up for tonight for this four-wheeler. We're just doing little touches to it. I'm gonna stop here for you guys.
Man, if I can kick it. That's it, guys. 1 week. 1 week, and we built a running four-wheeler. That's all it takes us.
And the guy said he had too many parts. He didn't have time with it.
1 week, and that's all it took. 1 week.
We got it Monday. All right, guys. So that's it for tonight. We got it running.
Hopefully, by the end of this weekend, we'll have that old beast over there running. It
Yep.
runs. We just gotta get some pipes. Miller's gonna hit us up. He's got some
At Miller.
nice DGs.
Yep.
He's gonna sell us. Yeah.
So yeah. In case they're eating fries.
I mean, we still have a lot to do on this bike. A lot, but it is.
It starts
Once we
up.
put the
It
chain on
runs.
she'll drive.
Yep.
Once we
It
put
just
the
needs to put the
on.
chain on it.
And then I'm gonna pull that side casing back off and advance the timing a little bit. Few other things.
Yep.
We'll get her
And
going.
put pipes in that one.
Yeah, we're gonna take the pipe off of this one, sand it down, get that heat-resistant paint, and repaint that. It's not like that rust. And she'll be golden.
Yeah, buddy. All right, guys. So that's gonna wrap it for tonight. So, as always, see you guys soon.
I can like it's like taste and smell. It's like